Hi, I'm Ryan, and welcome to my coding bootcamp journey. In this series, I will share my experiences as I learn to code in the Flatiron School web development program. If you know anyone that would enjoy this series, please send them to the link at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so what's new this week? So I've finished up the pre-work, and so yeah, glad to be done with that. And late last week, I got an email about a couple study sessions. So I hadn't intended to bring like and it say hey because at the time I was having trouble with the lab, which I'll talk about talk about here in a minute. So I thought I would print, but by the time the study session started, I had it figured out. So it was more we most people in the set. There were about six of us, including the host, and most of the people were just finishing up their pre work, so we were all kind of in the same stage, and so it was more like questions about like class starting process and kind of getting to know you kind of stuff. So it was nice do that from that from that perspective. Okay, and what did I struggle with this week? So in a lab, I had to write a loop with multiple conditionals, and I hadn't really dealt much with loops really, and so I was having some trouble kind of getting it to exit properly. I was doing some kind of weird thing with break, and it wasn't quite working. And so with the screen sharing deal, I was able to get that figured out. And yeah, I'll talk about that here. So what during this screen share on the person I was talking with just kind of offhandedly was like, well, you can try using this. You could try using return on this line. I'm like, oh, okay. And my whole attitude was like, all right, let's cross this off the list so we can move on to a real solution. And all my tests passed. So kind of notice a pattern here where well everything I'm having troubles with is it's usually something simple. Like I think last time is I had the variables reversed on a method. One of them was I had it's well, I was using a method that returned something different when you used an argument and when you didn't. So yeah, little things like that. So it not sure what that means exactly, but it is an interesting observation. And what am I looking forward to next week? Well, next Monday is the start of class, so they have new orientation, and there also I think on Wednesday there it's kind of we have like a meet the students conference call. So I think it's just people in our our cohort that are for that. And so yeah, I'm definitely excited about that, and also start getting my membership all set up at WeWork. I had talked about co-working spaces in a previous episode. So yeah, so that's what's looking forward to next week. So yeah, that's all I have for this week. So I do thank you for watching, and if you want to stay up to date, please like and subscribe, and feel free to check out the rest of my series. If you have any comments or questions, please post them below, and I'll see you in the next chapter.